How do regulatory requirements impact due diligence in M&A transactions? In today's fast-paced business world, understanding the role of regulatory requirements in mergers and acquisitions is more important than ever. Just yesterday, news broke about a major merger that faced scrutiny due to compliance issues. This topic is on the minds of many business professionals and legal experts alike. If you are involved in M&A transactions or planning one, knowing how these regulations affect due diligence is essential. Regulatory requirements significantly shape the due diligence process in mergers and acquisitions. They impose specific obligations that must be carefully examined to ensure compliance and avoid legal or financial setbacks. Understanding applicable regulatory frameworks is crucial to identify all compliance duties related to the transaction. This includes securing necessary governmental and industry approvals. If these approvals are overlooked, it can cause delays or sanctions that affect the deal's timeline and success. In certain sectors, such as defense or medical devices, regulatory scrutiny is especially intense. For example, defense-related mergers and acquisitions must comply with reporting and notification rules under laws like the National Defense Authorization Act. These rules requiring parties to provide detailed information to agencies such as the Department of Defense and antitrust authorities, often during a mandated waiting period. The lack of clear guidance on some triggers for review means parties must work closely with specialized legal counsel to navigate these requirements. Similarly, transactions involving medical devices face mandatory approvals from regulatory bodies like the Food and Drug Administration or CE-marking authorities. Failure to meet these standards can halt or invalidate deals, making regulatory due diligence a critical step. Beyond sector-specific rules, regulatory requirements also extend to areas like cybersecurity. Due diligence must assess the target company's cyber risk exposure and compliance with data protection laws. Identifying vulnerabilities and remediation needs helps mitigate risks that could affect the merged entity's operations and reputation. Technology due diligence is another dimension influenced by regulation. Evaluating technical liabilities, security gaps, and compliance with industry standards ensures that technological assets do not become burdens post-acquisition. This is particularly relevant when the target's value depends heavily on digital platforms or when integration complexity is high. Regulatory requirements impact mergers and acquisitions due diligence by mandating thorough compliance checks, securing approvals, and assessing risks across legal, sectoral, cybersecurity, and technological domains. Ignoring these factors can lead to transaction delays, increased costs, or even deal failure, making regulatory due diligence a fundamental component of successful mergers and acquisitions.